Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change accounts on Steam when you're using it on your PC. So maybe someone came over and you want to go ahead and just switch accounts. Well, this is easy to do. In the upper left side of Steam, or the screen, let's go to Steam. And then we have the option to sign out or go to a different account. So let's go to change account. And then we can go to continue. And then it's going to sign us out. And then it's going to bring us to a page where we can choose which account to assign into. So here we do. So I have two different options. I have my main account and then my secondary account. Let's switch to this one, YourSixGaming. And we're signed in, and it looks like I don't have to type in my password once I already signed in. So you can easily change in between your two different accounts rather quickly. And it's going to load up Steam now. And I'm on a different account now. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.